And last but not least, the 1931 Ford Model A Victoria, mint green over dark green.
It is.
3.8-liter Ford V6.
Yes.
Interesting.
How about that?
So very thrifty hot rod this is. 4-speed automatic transmission and a Ford 8-inch axle, front disc brakes. And this thing's a showstopper. It is really, you turn your head twice when you see that.
I'm sure it was not a available color back in.
I can't imagine that in 1931 the mint green was on Henry Ford's palette.
What would they have thought if you drove down the street in a mint green?
I think they would have killed you. he needs
Run
to
you off the road.
Run you off the road. Get out of here.
This one has air conditioning too, which is
that's
cool.
nice too.
Yep.
And adding air conditioning to modern cars. We're all kind of speaking of green. Look at the green.
Is that
truck.
49?
It looks like a 49 pickup just rolled in. Oh, it looks like a new consignment.
All right, we have enough trucks.
Yeah, we got enough. We got enough in one fell swoop.